Okay, in this video we're going to talk about creating box and whisker plots. Box and whisker plots look like this. They have a box and they have something that looks kind of like whiskers, just like a cat. Um, what you do is you're going to organize this data that you're given. And so this could be the inches of rainfall in a year or uh, something like that that you put together into a list, and then what you're going to do is organize the lists in order from least to greatest, and then find the median value. What's the middle value? And that will be represented by this line. And then you're going to find what's the lowest value. That's going to be represented by this point. What's the highest value? It's going to be represented by this point. And then what's the middle of this half? That's going to be represented by that line. And what's the middle of this half? That'll be represented by this line. So let's go ahead and order this. So I'll do that real quick. Okay, now that it's in order, I'll put my lowest value at 2, my highest value at 14. And now, let's see, there are 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14 numbers. So that means the middle is going to be at 7. So there's 7 on this side and 7 on this side. So there isn't an actual middle, so what we do is we take the average of these two, the middle of these two numbers, which would be 7.5. So it looks like it's already there. And now we take the middle of this half. So the middle of this half, let's see, would be, wait, I'm sorry, I messed that up. It's the middle of these two numbers. So this is the middle, 7 on this side and 7 on this side. So middle of this would be 8.5. And then the middle of this half would be the 6, right? Of these 7 numbers, there's 3 above and 3 below. So the middle of this would be the 6. And then the middle of this half, 3 above and 3 below, would be 12. Okay, so we have our high number, our fourth quartile, our third quartile, and median, our first quartile, and our low value. So the range goes from 2 to 15, median 8.5. Let's check our answer. Looks correct. Okay, let's do one more. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 numbers, 6 above, 6 below, and I'll go ahead and organize them from least to greatest. Okay, there it is. So my lowest number is 0. Highest number is 9, and I might have to adjust some things first. Okay, our median value, so 6 above and 6 below, it's between these two, right? 6 and 7, so 6.5. And then if I take my top 6 and I cut that in half, my median will be 8.5, which it's already at. And the bottom 6, the median will be between 3 and 5, so 4.5. Or no, just 4. Between 3 and 5. And check my answer. Okay, so that's how it's done.